Hi everyone, Alex here, MRC, and look what I got. Scrappy, micro Scrappy from E-flite, Mike Patey's plane. And I gotta say, it looks fantastic. Lots of detail on this. Most of them are not functional, but let's take a quick look. Start with this 4-blade prop that doesn't look like it belongs on a plane, but hopefully it does the job well. We have two lights, two small LEDs here in the front, lights on the wings, and they're not just simple LEDs, they have these plastic covers. The landing gear, unfortunately the suspension is not functional. These struts here are plastic, this bottom piece is plastic, this top one is foam. Looks like it has some metal in there. Tires are pretty hard foam. What else? These wing struts you need to put on, but I'm not sure they're functional. They are pretty flexible, so not sure how if they do have any role in supporting the wing, or they're just there for looks. Linear servos, because it's a micro but not UMX. The rear wheel also looks good, but non-functional suspension. Lots of details. These fake solar panels. The real plane has solar panels on the wings, and I know he even has some mounts for electric motorcycles that he carries under the wings. That would be something cool to 3D print. I've seen some guys mod this suspension with real shocks. That would be pretty nice doing, especially for rough landings. What else? We have flaps. The servos are inboard inside the plane. Yeah, what else? I really don't like the fact that you have to secure the wing with this screw. Comes with the wing off in the box, and of course these struts you need to take off if you want to put it back in the box. I don't know how many maneuvers or taking off, putting back on these will take, so I might just leave it assembled, although I do prefer having them in the box. And let's take a look at the battery. I got a 4S 300 milliamp for Spectrum, especially for this. This is how I have it placed for CG by the book. And the motor's pretty big. I don't know if it's larger than UMX motors. It might be. But this motor mount is beefy. You can see it has a metal plate. So it's a lot beefier than the UMX planes. And of course this takes 4S, so let's see how it goes. Just wanted to show you the lights real quick. These are the ones in the front and on the wing. They look pretty bright. Might be good for night flying. But let's see, nothing on the bottom, on the top, so just these. Okay, let's get this thing in the air. Okay, thing's wiggling. Let's give it some half flaps. Throttle cut off. We have throttle, and here we go. Wow, I'm not even half throttle yet. It's in the air. Ooh. Need some trimming. Okay, turn the flaps off, and this thing flies slow. Okay, needed a bit of right aileron trim. Wow, this thing is slow. Flaps are off, and I'll try bring it closer. I don't know if you guys can see the lights on camera. I can. Pretty visible, but I'm not sure how sufficient they would be for night flying. Wow, okay. Definitely floatier than I expected. Especially since it's not UMX, it's over 250 grams. I think it's EPO foam, but don't quote me on that. Okay, this thing is really, really slow. I'm not pushing it. Ah, damn it, I forgot to go on the telemetry screen. You know what, let me move it on this side. I'm not even sure I've gone over half throttle yet. Yeah. Ooh, 15 volts. What the heck is that? I'm not even used to that on 4-cell batteries. I have bought some other 4S batteries from CNHL. I think they're lots of cars today. 450 milliamp. I don't think they would be too heavy. Okay, full throttle. That was full throttle. Let's try it closer, full throttle pass. Here we go. Yeah, it's not fast, but this is not the purpose of this plane. It's not an aerobatic plane. It's a stall plane, so if that's what you expect from it, scale flying, scale looks, it does excel on the looks, I'll tell you that. Should be fine. That's just rudder, no aileron. Turns pretty well with the rudder. I really hope it's visible. Cloudy day. Yeah, those lights are pretty bright. Okay, let's try and get it over the road. Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't sure what to expect from this. Like a slower timber, and it kind of is. Okay, let's try some rolls. Ooh, that's really slow. Loop. Oh, that was bad. Let's try again. Okay, the loop is fine, but the battery's already not liking full throttle, so I'll just cruise around. 14.8 volts, 15.2 if I cut throttle. So I should probably think about landing soon. Okay, half flaps. Wondering if the flaps aren't even. They make it lean to the left a bit. It is a beautiful plane. Ooh, what the? Ooh, what the? Did I just stall it? Man, hopefully no damage. Good thing I got my bad shoes. Yeah, I think I stalled. Still 15.2.3 volts. Just went too slow. Man. How do you stall something like this? Only I could do it. Oh man, I broke the prop. Damn it. It's not even 3 out of 4 blades. Okay, let's turn the flaps off. Wow. Okay, everything else seems fine. I'm gonna pick up the blade. Look at that. That was nasty. Okay, does everything else still work? Rudder works. Does the motor still work? Ooh. Hope nothing's broken in there. Yeah, otherwise, a bit of mud on the wheels. But it seems fine. Man, that's such bad luck on a maiden flight. It's really curious how this thing lands. These big wheels, slow flying. What a shame. Hope the motor's alright. Luckily the spinner on this is plastic, so I don't have to buy another spinner, but I'll probably get a couple spare props. Okay, I was not expecting this outcome. Let's check inside. Yeah, motor seems fine. Yeah, so that is it. What can I say? Plane flies great, better than or different than I expected it. It doesn't need a lot of throttle to stay in the air, on forest at least. I'm gonna try it on 3S once I get a replacement prop. Don't forget to like the video, leave some great comments, tell me how much I suck for stalling and crashing a plane like this on the Maiden, and subscribe if you haven't already. More mayhem coming soon. Bye!